Hi guys, about a month ago I did a video showing how to live stream from the DJI Mini 4 Pro, and I'm using the RC2 controller. And since then there was an update, and I received an email from a gentleman saying that he was prompted for an external microphone. Now understand that the RC2 controller, to my knowledge, none of the DJI controllers have built-in microphones in them. So you have to plug in a microphone. It could be a wireless microphone or a wired lavalier type microphone into the USB-C jack at the bottom of the RC2 controller. But I want to take you into the settings here because since the update, you have to go into transmission to set this up. Once you get there, then tick on live streaming platforms. I'm getting a message here saying, what did that say? Fail to start live stream, screen recording in progress. Yeah, so let me go out. I'm going to temporarily turn off screen recording here. Then go back in and tap on RTMP. In a previous version, you entered in your stream settings on one line. It all ran together. Now, what you will see in the latest update is that you will enter your RTMP address and stream key on two separate fields. So that's what I've done here. I blurred out my stream key so you can't see that. And once you've done that, then click the Start Live Stream button here. I'm going to walk over to my desktop to see if I am indeed live streaming from the Mini 4 Pro. And according to YouTube Studio, I am waving at you guys now. So I am going to end this stream. I need to go to my RC2 controller and disconnect here as well. Notice at the top, you see this red icon. Let's tap on that and exit your live stream. End. That's it. So I tried to duplicate the problem the individual said that he was encountering, but I do believe it could be that this individual thought that the RC2 controller has a built-in microphone. It does not. You have to connect an external microphone. It can be wireless or wired, and you will be okay. So I hope this helps. And until the next video, this is Ron from Ron's World. You guys take care.